Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to explain about GitLab, which is one of the most popular DevOps tools used in the real world. GitLab is a web-based DevOps platform. It provides like source code management, CI/CD pipelines, issue tracking, security and monitoring. Like it is a single tool for entire DevOps lifecycle. Why GitLab? GitLab is all-in-one DevOps tool. Like it helps in faster software delivery. It is improves collaboration between like developers, testers, and operations teams. It has built-in CI/CD, so no extra plugins are required. It is a open source and enterprise versions are available. GitLab versus GitHub. Many people compare GitLab with GitHub. GitHub mainly focus on code hosting. GitLab provides code plus CI/CD plus DevOps tools in one place. So GitLab is more suitable when you want full DevOps automation. GitLab architecture. In repository, it stores the source code. In pipelines, like it is for the automation workflow. In GitLab runner, it executes the CI/CD jobs. GitLab CI/CD. In GitLab CI/CD, we use it to automate like a build, test, deploy, and we will use a gitlab-ci.yml for the like pipeline code writing. In real world use cases, like when the developer pushes the code from his laptop to GitLab repository, it triggers the CI/CD pipeline and GitLab runner activates, and the app is going to be deployed in the Linux server or any kind of server. Thank you.